Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. As in previous video, you got to know about the quarrel between Jumman and his aunt, and both detailed their points in the panchayat, hoping for fair decision. Now let's move forward to know about what happened next in this story. So look into your book, paragraph number 7. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." So what happened? When both opponents had said their parts in their defense, so the head punch Algu and other villagers who were in the panchayat, they also asked some more question to inquire further. And after questioning, Algu declared that they had inquired everything with full care, and we have enough evidence to make decision. So Algu gave decision in favor of old aunt, saying that Jumman must pay monthly allowance to his aunt, otherwise the property would be given back to the old aunt. So this was the decision of the panchayat given by the head punch Algu Chaudhary. Then how did Jumman react? To know about, look at paragraph number 8. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So after the panchayat's decision, which was against Jumman, given by his best friend Algu Chaudhary, so he broke his friendship with Algu Chaudhary and never met together. In fact, after this decision, Jumman became the enemy of his best friend and wanted to take revenge. Here, second part of this chapter comes to an end. Now let's move to the third part. So look into your book. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullock died, and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. So what happened? After that decision, both were not friends now. They had become enemy. So after some time, unfortunately, what happened, that Algu was caught in a difficult situation and he was facing some difficult time. Actually, what happened, he had a pair of bullocks and one of them died. So he sold the other one to Samju Sahu, who was the cart driver in the village. So both Algu and Samju had a deal that Samju would pay the price of bullock within 1 month. But unfortunately, what happened, the bullock died within the period of 1 month, which was decided to pay the price of bullock at the time of deal. So what happened? Did Samju Sahu pay the price of bullock after that or not? To know about it, look into your book, paragraph number 10. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't yet paid. Sahu got very annoyed. "I can't pay you a penny for a wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock, use it for a month, and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock," he said angrily. So what happened? As Algu has given the time of 1 month, so he did not ask money. But many months passed, and still Sahu didn't pay up the price of bullock. So Algu went to Sahu and asked the price of bullock. But when Algu asked the price, Sahu got very angry and said very angrily that it was not possible for him to pay a single penny or a single paisa for the poor and miserable animal which you sold me, because that bullock brought me nothing but just ruin. In other words, bad days. It means I couldn't get any benefit from that unlucky and sick animal. It died even before I could get any advantage. So, for that, I can't pay anything for. So, for that poor and sick animal, I can't pay anything. He further offered him to take his bullock and use 1 month, then return it. But don't hope that I would pay anything for the dead bullock. So this is the today's lesson. I hope it's very clear to you. And to know about what happened next in the story, we will learn in the next video. So for today, thank you very much for watching this video.